So now we are at the Syntec Technology booth with Mr. Akhil. Syntec Technology is Taiwan's leader in CNC controls, industry PCs, and smart manufacturing solutions. Their expertise is towards central machine tools, precision manufacturing, and how it's moving towards Industry 4.0. Syntec is synonymous with CNC control. How are you aligning with India's growing machine tool sector?
India's growing machine tool sector, we support them with at least 10,000 plus CNCs annually we are selling now. So it helps the OEMs and small scale industries to rely on a reliable technology to fasten their growth. That's how we are supporting the Indian industries.
Many India manufacturers are early in their Industry 4.0 journey. How do you think Syntec helps them?
So with Industrial 4.0 journey, with many starting manufacturers, we have a ready plug-and-play system available with us with respect to IoT solutions. So it helps them to implement it faster on the field and get the production data within a couple of months. So it helps them the overall productivity and data which can be fetched at ease of time.
Cost efficiency and global competitiveness are key goals. How does Syntec enable SMEs to achieve those?
So with respect to our CNC plus automation solutions what are available with us, we give them at the price where the productivity can be increased from 15 to 20%. So by increasing the productivity by 15 to 20%, you are uptiming the small scale industries at least by 90% overall uptime. So it gives them the competitive edge in the market to survive against other competitors. That's how we are supporting them with the.
Thank you, Syntec, for your perspectives. Looking forward to see how Syntec empowers the India manufacturers in the world of CNC and more. Thank you.